While the Supreme Court has yet to decide whether it agrees to allow the government to withdraw, is that the government might now be required to implement the earlier verdict. Full stop. The consequences following it could be catastrophic. Full stop. The government has now requested to form a larger bench that could lay down specific that besides being in consonance with the dictates of Islam should also help it to once with these grave issues. Full stop. Does the Federal Shariat Court have the technical expertise to do that? Full stop. In order to avoid a legal vacuum. Full stop. The fixed income tax system is under discussion these days. Full stop. The Ministry of Finance has already asked for proposals from the various departments of life like income tax boards, chambers of commerce and industry, traders organizations and the public in order to give them find before the budget. Full stop. The fixed income tax system has been demanded by the traders because they hold that it is not possible for them to increase income tax by 20% every year as well as submit to total audit through the computer. Full stop. The main object of the fixed income tax system is to facilitate the small trader and enable him to pay fixed tax for a few years without the bother of dealing with the income tax staff. Full stop. Through this system, the burden of returns filed by the taxpayers on the one hand and assessment work by the income tax department on the other hand could be reduced. Full stop. It is also said that the fixed tax system will control corruption in the income tax collection and increase government revenues. Full stop. The complaints by the taxpayers against income tax department will thus go down. Full stop. The fixed income tax could be based on two important criteria: capital and turnover. Full stop. For instance, if the income declared is up to rupees 36,000, the capital